Geothermal energy in daily life, applications and uses. Geothermal energy in daily life, applications and uses. In recent years, there has been increasing global interest in renewable energy sources as a way to combat climate change and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. One such source of clean and sustainable energy is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy utilizes the heat stored within the earth to generate power and has several applications and uses in our daily lives. In this article, we will explore the various ways geothermal energy can be harnessed and how it benefits us. Geothermal energy is derived from the Earth's core, where temperatures can reach several thousands of degrees Celsius. This immense heat is a result of the radioactive decay of elements such as uranium, thorium, and potassium in the Earth's crust. This heat can be tapped into through various techniques, allowing us to convert it into usable energy. One of the most common applications of geothermal energy is in the production of electricity. Geothermal power plants harness the heat from the Earth's interior and convert it into electricity using steam turbines. These power plants can be divided into three types: dry steam, flash steam, and binary cycle power plants. Dry steam power plants are the oldest type of geothermal power plants. They use steam directly from the geothermal reservoir to turn the turbines, which, in turn, generate electricity. Flash steam power plants, on the other hand, bring high-pressure hot water above the boiling point from the reservoir to a lower pressure area, causing the water to instantly vaporize into steam. This steam is used to drive the turbines. This lower boiling point fluid is then vaporized and used to generate electricity. Geothermal power plants have several advantages over conventional power plants. They produce electricity without burning fossil fuels, thus reducing greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. Geothermal power is also reliable and consistent as it is not dependent on weather conditions, unlike solar or wind power. Additionally, geothermal power plants have a smaller land footprint compared to other types of power plants, making them suitable for areas where land is limited. Apart from electricity generation, geothermal energy has numerous other applications in our daily lives. One such application is space heating and cooling. Geothermal heat pumps utilize the steady temperatures found below the Earth's surface to regulate indoor temperatures. These systems circulate fluid through underground pipes called heat exchangers, which absorb or release heat depending on indoor temperature requirements. In winter, the fluid absorbs heat from the ground and transfers it inside, while in summer, the excess heat from indoors is transferred back into the ground, effectively cooling the buildings. Another important application of geothermal energy is in hot water supply. Geothermal hot water systems use the heat from the earth to provide warm water for domestic use, such as bathing and heating. This not only reduces energy consumption but also lowers utility bills and promotes energy independence. Geothermal energy also finds uses in agricultural and industrial processes. Greenhouses can use geothermal heat to provide optimal growing conditions for plants, regardless of the outdoor temperature. Geothermal energy is also utilized in fish farming, where the warm water from geothermal sources is used to create a suitable environment for fish growth. Additionally, industries can take advantage of geothermal energy for various processes, such as drying crops, pasteurizing milk, and even generating steam for manufacturing operations. Apart from these direct applications, geothermal energy also indirectly benefits our daily lives by promoting economic growth and job creation. Developing geothermal resources provides employment opportunities in various sectors, including construction, engineering, and maintenance. Additionally, geothermal projects can boost local economies by reducing reliance on imported fossil fuels and Analyzing energy costs. Geothermal energy is a powerful tool that has a wide range of applications and uses in our daily lives. Beyond electricity generation and space heating, it also plays a significant role in hot water supply, agriculture, industry, and economic growth. In terms of electricity generation, geothermal power plants are a sustainable alternative to conventional power plants. They convert the heat from the Earth's interior into electricity through steam. Turbines. Dry steam, flash steam, and binary cycle power plants are the three main types of geothermal power plants. Dry steam plants utilize steam directly from the geothermal reservoir, while flash steam plants vaporize hot water by reducing its pressure. Binary cycle power plants, on the other hand, use a heat exchanger to transfer heat from the geothermal fluid to a lower boiling point fluid, which then generates electricity. Geothermal power plants offer many advantages over traditional power plants. They reduce greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution since they do not burn fossil fuels. Geothermal power is also reliable and consistent, not reliant on weather conditions like solar or wind power. Furthermore, geothermal power plants have a smaller land footprint, making them suitable for areas where land is limited. Apart from electricity generation, geothermal energy is highly beneficial in space heating and cooling. Geothermal heat pumps regulate indoor temperatures by utilizing the constant temperatures found below the Earth's surface. These pumps circulate fluid through underground pipes, absorbing or releasing heat depending on the indoor temperature requirements. In winter, the fluid absorbs heat from the ground to warm the buildings, while in summer, excess heat from indoors is transferred back into the ground, effectively cooling the buildings. Geothermal energy also plays a valuable role in supplying hot water for domestic use. Geothermal hot water systems utilize heat from the earth to provide warm water for activities such as bathing and heating. By installing geothermal water heaters, households in geothermal-rich areas can reduce their reliance on conventional heating methods. This not only cuts energy consumption but also lowers utility bills and promotes energy independence. Moreover, geothermal energy has applications in agriculture and industry. Greenhouses can harness geothermal heat to create optimum growing conditions for plants, regardless of outdoor temperatures. Similarly, in fish farming, warm water from geothermal sources is utilized to create an ideal environment for fish growth. In the industrial sector, geothermal energy finds application in various processes such as crop drying, milk pasteurization, and steam generation for manufacturing operations. Beyond its direct applications, geothermal energy indirectly benefits our daily lives by fostering economic growth and job creation. Developing geothermal resources creates employment opportunities in construction, engineering, and maintenance sectors. Additionally, geothermal projects reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels, stabilize energy costs, and stimulate local economies. In summary, geothermal energy has a multitude of applications and uses in our daily lives. From electricity generation to space heating and providing hot water, it offers clean, sustainable, and reliable energy. Its reach extends to agriculture and industries by supporting optimal plant growth conditions and providing heat for various processes. Additionally, the development of geothermal resources drives economic growth and job creation. By tapping into the Earth's natural heat, geothermal energy enables us to lead more sustainable lives, reducing our carbon footprint and building a clean our energy future. Geothermal energy has undoubtedly become a crucial player in the renewable energy industry, with its wide range of applications and uses. From electricity generation to space heating, hot water supply, Why? Agriculture, industry, and economic growth. Geothermal energy is an invaluable resource in our daily lives. When it comes to electricity generation, geothermal power plants offer a sustainable alternative to traditional power plants. These plants convert the heat from the Earth's interior into electricity through the use of steam turbines. There are three main types of geothermal power plants: dry steam, flash steam, and binary cycle power plants. Dry steam plants utilize steam directly from the geothermal reservoir, while flash steam plants vaporize hot water by reducing its pressure. Binary cycle power plants, on the other hand, transfer heat from the geothermal fluid to a lower boiling point F. Lloyd, which then generates electricity. Geothermal power plants have numerous advantages over conventional power plants. By not burning fossil fuels, they significantly reduce greenhouse emissions and air pollution. Geothermal power is reliable and consistent, not being reliant on weather conditions like solar or wind power. Additionally, geothermal power plants require relatively smaller land footprints, making them suitable for areas with limited available land.